Hello friends, welcome to the News Roundup for the second week of May. Today is National Technology Day. It was this day in 1998 when the Pokhran-2 test blasts had taken. So the Pokhran-2 tests were a series of 5 nuclear bomb test explosions conducted by India at the Indian Army's Pokhran test range in May 1998. It was the second instance of nuclear testing conducted by India. The first test was codenamed Smiling Buddha that was conducted in 1974. So the tests achieved their main objective of giving India the capability to build fission and thermonuclear weapons with yields up to 200 kilotons. With this test, India became a full-fledged nuclear state. Now coming to education-related news. School syllabus has been reduced for the next academic session. Human Resource Development or the HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank announced recently that the decision has been taken considering the pressure on students and the loss of important academic time. JEE Advance exam to be held on August 23rd. JEE Advance is meant for admissions to the IITs and it will be conducted on August 23rd. The exam was earlier scheduled on May 17th but was deferred due to the coronavirus lockdown. CBSE will conduct the remaining class 10th and 12th board exams from July 1st to 15th. Exam papers will now be evaluated from home, as per the HRD minister. Now, Muslims are well into the month of Ramzan. To know more about Ramzan, do take a look at this week's Young Chronicle e-paper as well as the article is up on our app. Eid will be celebrated on 23rd or 24th of May. Films are now releasing online. Talks are on to release films based on the lives of mathematician Shakuntala Devi and the Kargil hero Gunjan Saxena. So let's hope we will be able to watch them from the convenience of our homes. Now coming to space news. Another super Earth has been discovered in a 1 in a million discovery toward the center of the galaxy. The planet has a mass between that of Earth and Neptune and orbits a star that is 10% the Sun's mass. The detection involved gravitational microlensing, wherein barely perceptible objects can brighten up the stars they pass in front of. This discovery was made by astronomers at the University of Canterbury. Russia's space agency Roscosmos recently confirmed that one of its rockets that had been used for a launch in the past was floating around in space and has now broken down. It has left debris in orbit over the Indian Ocean. There is usually a lot of hue and cry over debris that Earthlings are leaving in space. So this is not good news at all. However, their explorations are bound to cause such anomalies and hopefully we won't leave as many debris in space in the future. Coming on to entrepreneurship and business related news, Ratan Tata has stated that the COVID-19 crisis will force entrepreneurs to adapt and create. He hopes that the ability to find another way to run a company will emerge as the outcome of the crisis. So, this is all from the News Roundup by the Young Chronicle. Let's hope to see you again next week.